Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up song as ringtone on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the settings. From here, go to the sound and vibration. Now open ringtone section, and here you can find my sounds section. So open it, and now you have to tap on the plus in the bottom right corner. And here you can find audio files from your Google Pixel 10, and if it's not showing on the main page, you have to click on the top left corner icon over here and go to audio section, and here is your all audio files from the Google Pixel 10. So let's take this one, and now you are able to select this file as your ringtone. So after that, select it, click save, and basically I have this music over here enabled as ringtone. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.